You are a longtime libertarian, perhaps an anarcho-capitalist. We
Yep.
could talk about that. Can you explain the different variants, flavors of libertarianism and where you stand among those variants?
Yeah, so there's almost like anything, like with left-wing schools of thought or right-wing schools of thought, there's many different camps and different thinkers. And so within the kind of broader theme of libertarianism, there was a lot of influence from people like Ayn Rand, Milton Friedman, Thomas Sowell. Those were, I think, some of the more mainstream figures. And then there's kind of like the Ron Paul brand of libertarianism, which is kind of distinct from that other camp, where they're much more of an emphasis on foreign policy. All of them kind of fall into the radical minarchist points of view. And then there's Rothbardian anarcho-capitalist. Then there's also like David Friedman, who's an anarcho-capitalist, but from a completely different perspective than Murray Rothbard. I would probably be I'm most closely like with the Rothbard school, which is very similar to Ron Paul, but even maybe a little bit further in that, the very little bit of government that Ron Paul might support